Staring at your car's engine with no clue where to start? Or maybe you're tired of paying a mechanic hundreds of dollars for simple fixes you could do yourself. The right tool set can save you thousands over the years, but here's the problem. Walk into any store or scroll through Amazon and you'll find hundreds of options. Some are overpriced garbage, others are cheap junk that'll break on your first oil change. Today, I'm cutting through the noise and showing you the 5 best mechanic tool sets for beginners that actually deliver on quality without emptying your wallet. Let's get started. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN Mechanics Tool Set. This isn't just my pick, it's literally Amazon's #1 bestseller right now, with a solid 4.8-star rating from nearly 10,000 reviews. There's a reason everyone's snagging this thing. So what makes it special? The VersaStack system. This isn't just another plastic box that's going to crack after a year. It's a 3-drawer storage unit that actually stacks with other VersaStack products. So as you grow your tool collection, your storage grows with it. For beginners, that's huge because you're not locked into some dead-end system. The tools themselves, rock solid. You get all 3 drive sizes, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch with both SAE and metric sockets. That covers pretty much every bolt on modern vehicles. The ratchets have this low-profile head that's 25% thinner than older models, which means you can actually reach those annoying bolts tucked way back behind the engine block. Here's the best part. Full lifetime warranty from CRAFTSMAN. Break something? Take it to any authorized retailer and they'll replace it, no questions asked. That peace of mind is worth a ton when you're just starting out. Now, the one thing you gotta watch out for, at 230 pieces, you're missing some specialty sockets, like deep impact sockets. For most beginners, doing oil changes, brake jobs, and basic maintenance, you won't even notice. But if you're planning to do heavy suspension work or engine rebuilds down the road, yeah, you might need to supplement this set. Running around $100 to $130 depending on sales, this is the sweet spot for most people. Check the link in the description box below. Number 2. DEWALT's Mechanics Tool Set. If CRAFTSMAN is the best seller, DEWALT is the highest rated, with over 11,000 reviews at 4.8 stars. People absolutely love this set. The standout feature here? Direct torque technology. Okay, without getting too nerdy, regular sockets grip bolts at the corners, which is exactly where they strip first. DEWALT's design grips the flat sides instead, which means you're way less likely to round off a bolt. If you've ever spent an hour trying to yank out a stripped bolt with vice grips, you know how valuable this is. The 72-tooth ratchet gives you a 5-degree swing arc, perfect for tight spaces. The anti-slip driver handle is actually comfortable even after working for hours, and everything has this full polished chrome finish that resists rust. I've seen these sets survive years in humid garages without a single spot of corrosion. DEWALT also backs this with a lifetime warranty, and their customer service, genuinely hassle-free. People report emailing about a missing or broken piece and getting a replacement shipped within a week, no proof of purchase required. The downside, it's a blow-molded case instead of a drawer system. It works fine and has metal latches for security, but it's not as convenient as drawers when you're actually working. You'll spend more time flipping the case open and hunting for the right socket. Price-wise, you're looking at $140 to $180. Yeah, it's more expensive than the CRAFTSMAN, but you're paying for that direct torque technology and DEWALT's solid reputation. Links in the description. Number 3. TLGREEN Mechanics Tool Set. Now, if you're just dipping your toes into DIY repairs, or you live in an apartment with limited space, the TLGREEN 95-piece tool set is your answer. This is the budget champion at $30 to $50. Don't let the price fool you, though. This isn't just a mechanic set, it's a hybrid kit with both automotive and home tools. You get sockets, ratchets, and wrenches for car work, plus pliers, screwdrivers, a hammer, and even a measuring tape for general home repairs. For someone who needs to fix a leaky faucet on Monday and change their brake pads on Saturday, this eliminates buying 2 separate kits. The compact toolbox is genuinely portable. You can throw this in your trunk for roadside emergencies or carry it upstairs to your apartment without breaking a sweat. The adjustable wrench is clutch when you run into an oddball bolt size you don't have a socket for. Here's the trade-off. With only 95 pieces, your socket selection is pretty limited compared to the bigger sets. You'll have the common sizes covered, but if you're working on older vehicles with weird fasteners, you might find some gaps.
Also, this is an entry-level brand, so while the quality is surprisingly decent for the price, it's not going to match CRAFTSMAN or DEWALT. That said, for renters, students, or anyone testing whether they actually enjoy DIY work before dropping big money, this is the perfect starting point. Grab the link below.
Number 4. Thatool Mechanics Toolset. The Thatool 328-piece toolset is where things get interesting. For $80 to $120, you're getting over 300 pieces with a multi-drawer storage system. This is the everything and the kitchen sink option. You get extensive socket coverage in both SAE and metric, multiple ratchet sizes, combination wrenches, hex keys, screwdrivers, pliers, a hammer, basically every tool you'd need for automotive and household projects. It's perfect for new homeowners who want one comprehensive set instead of buying automotive and household kits separately. The drawer system is fantastic for organization. Instead of digging through a case, you just pull out the drawer you need and everything's visible at a glance. For beginners still learning what each tool is called, this visual layout is a huge help. But here's the catch. With 328 pieces, you're inevitably getting some filler. There'll be bits and accessories you'll rarely use, which pads the piece count but doesn't add real value. Also, the sheer size of this set means it's not portable. Once you set this up in your garage, it's staying there. The quality sits in the middle ground, better than ultra-budget options, but not quite at DEWALT or CRAFTSMAN level. For the price and piece count, though, it's solid value if you want maximum versatility. Links waiting in the description. Number 5. VEVOR Mechanics Toolset. Last but definitely not least, the VEVOR 297-piece Mechanics Toolset. This one's specifically designed for automotive work, and it shows. You get complete coverage across all 3 drive sizes, with both SAE and metric sockets, standard and deep. The combination wrench selection is extensive, and there's a healthy variety of screwdriver bits and accessories. This is a pure mechanics set without household tool filler, which means nearly every piece is something you'll actually use on vehicles. The chrome vanadium steel construction with corrosion-resistant finish means these tools will last. The organized storage case has molded compartments keeping everything in place, so you're not dealing with a jumbled mess after transporting it. At $90 to $140, VEVOR offers near 300-piece professional features at a price that undercuts the big brands. For beginners serious about learning automotive repair, this set gives you room to grow without the CRAFTSMAN or DEWALT price tag. The potential issue, VEVOR isn't as established as the legacy brands, so warranty support and long-term reliability are kind of question marks. Most reviews are positive, but you don't have decades of reputation backing it up like you do with CRAFTSMAN. For the price, though, even if you need to replace a tool or two down the line, you're still coming out ahead. Check the description box for the link. Whether you're saving money on your own repairs, building a new skill, or just sick of borrowing tools from your neighbor, any of these 5 sets will get you started right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.